Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Flirty pickup lines are used to kick off a conversation with someone you're interested in or want to get to know better. Not everyone will actually vibe with your humor. Some might find them lame and tacky, but that's okay. However, pickup lines can sometimes do wonders by making a girl or guy smile by gaining his or her attention. A pickup line can be termed a conversation opener to engage a person to hang out with you for the very first time. It is easy to feel nervous and uninspired when it comes to delivering the perfect pickup line. Nigerians are known for their hilarious pickup lines that will definitely crack you up. Check out some of them in Nigerian Pidgin English.
Babe, how far? I just dey torchlight you from afar. You sweet die. And I no wan pass my boundary. I fit collect your digits. Omo see toothpaste smile. Velvet skin. See eyes wey dey yarn the language of love. Babe, you fine scatter. Omo leave that thing. I dig you die. You be magician because anytime I look you, every other person go just disappear. Babe, you be professional boxer because you be knockout. I hope say you sabi CPR because you dey take my breath away. On a scale of 1 to 10, you be 9 and I be the one you need. My phone get problem. Your number dey miss inside am. You must be broom because you just sweep me off my feet. Shey na just the Wi-Fi or I dey feel connection between you and me? My life runs. Na you dey give me joy. See as I dey smile like person wey win jackpot. Chey! Your love sweet pass sugar cane. Babe, na you be the sugar wey dey make my tea sweet. You dey make my heart jolly like Christmas. I love you scatter. I dey good for algebra. I fit replace your ex and you no need to find out why. Babe, you fine die. I swear you resemble my mama. Omo, you be camera because anytime I look you, I go just dey smile like mumu. Omo, you just drop something. You know wetin? My jaw. How far? Your name must be Daisy because I won't plant you for my heart. See, sweet babe, I beg make I tie your shoes so that you no go fall for another person. Apart from say you set, come find die. Wetin you dey do for a living? You like Mexican food? Because I wan wrap you for my arms, come make you my babe Nito. Abeg send me your selfie. I wan show my malle wetin my future partner look like. Omo, you set pieces, back and front. When Baba God create you, e dey do shakara. Omo, you get nickname? If no, I fit call you later. My name na Microsoft. I fit crash for your place this night. If I fit rearrange the alphabet, I go put you and I together.